Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of McGee and Coding. So today what we'll be doing is setting an image as the background of your site. And you're seeing this pop up more and more often on websites. People are using a full image as the background. So first thing we want to do is find images that are free of copyright under the Creative Commons. And there's a site called Pixabay. Yes, Pixabay, 500,000 free photos. All images and videos on Pixabay are released free of copyrights under Creative Commons. You may download, modify, distribute, and use them royalty-free for anything you like, even in commercial applications. Attribution is not required. So let's take a look at some of these. And see if we could find one that we could possibly use as the background on our site. I'll just use this beach photo here. I'm going to copy the image URL just like you would with any other photo if you're using a URL to bring the photo up on the site. Now we'll head over to our IDE or our text editor, and we'll try to do something in our CSS that will allow our photo to take up the entirety of the page. So if we want it to be the background image of every page, we can just set it to HTML, our CSS selector, that is. And then we'll use the selector background, URL, start your parentheses. I'll put that URL from that beach photo in there. Close that out. Let's say no repeat. Otherwise, we would have a bunch of repeating pictures. We're going to center these. Then we'll set our background size. So just background hyphen size, colon, and we'll use this word cover. What cover does is allow it to take up the entirety of the page. Okay. So we have our picture URL, and then we're specifying that it should take up the whole page. I'll save this. Let's open it in a browser. And there it is. We have our Walt Disney font and our image as our background. And as we change the size, you can see that the picture still takes up the screen. It's centered, looks pretty good. And this would work for maybe a site, a vacation site or something. I wouldn't necessarily think to use Disney font with a beach picture. But you get an idea of how you could use an image as your entire background and then still have the text showing up over top of that. I might also change the color of the text to maybe white. Let's try that. See if that looks any better. Looks okay. I'll keep messing around with this, and you can do the same. Thanks for watching another lesson. See you next time.